which will show us what is the importance of washing our hands daily and how we can protect ourselves from germs and viruses that are spreading around the world. So let me show you the experiment. Okay, so for the experiment we will be using some ingredients. The ingredients are black pepper powder, a bowl with some water, and a little bit of dish wash. Okay, so first I will sprinkle some black pepper powder in this bowl of water like this. And as you can see, the black pepper powder is floating on the water as the pepper is light in weight than water. So let's assume this black pepper powder are the germs. Okay, so whenever we enter an environment which is full of germs, like I am entering, so you can see it is sticking on my hands, right guys? Okay, so when I will take some amount of soap on my fingertip, and when I will put that in the bowl, so as you can see, the black pepper powder scattered away from the soap. Similarly, when we apply soap to our hands or to our skin, the germs present on our skin will scatter away and will wash off to the drains, and we will be protected from the diseases which can be caused through that viruses or germs. So thank you very much guys for watching this. Bye.